Hi there, Charles Goddard here, and this is the latest in our series of mini lessons. And today's topic is chart setup. And we're going to emphasize keeping things simple and basic in this video. And there's a couple of reasons for doing that. One, I've seen a lot of setups that students use and traders use, and I find them very convoluted and very complicated. And reason one then to keep things simple is that it's all you need, and all that stuff does not help you at all. May make you feel better, I guess. And two, if you keep things simple, you can replicate it anywhere and on any platform, on any even free service is available out there, and so you can get your work done. So let's move forward and see how this looks. But first, let's have a quick look at me. There's that handsome devil on the screen right now. And you could see some of my designations on the right-hand side. And I want to add to that I spent thousands of dollars and untold hours in the company of veteran traders as one-on-one student and in workshops. And these were the chaps who plied their trade in the famous commodity pits of Chicago. And they're the guys that taught me that for all the book learning you can have, if you want to be a consistent trader, you need to bring some practical aspects to your trading if you want to be consistent. And I'm hoping that's what I bring to these lessons and bring to my course for you, and that is balance. So let's get to it. All right, what we're looking at here is a chart from stockcharts.com. That's a free service, and you can avail yourself of this. And what you can see is I've got this set up as a candle chart, and down here in the bottom you can see that there's a bunch of drop down menus, and you can add whatever attributes you want to the chart. Now most of you won't need to use this if you're trading stocks at all. You will have an ability to look at charts on whatever platform you use, and I can tell you that you may have to dig for it, especially if it's a bank service. Quite often those guys are not even aware that there's charting on their platforms, but I would say that 99.9% of a platform that is trading stocks or allowing you to buy, sell stocks, options, whatever it is you're doing, that they will have an ability to generate a chart for you to look at with a number of basic indicators and oscillators that you could put on there. So let's take a look at my chart. All right, so what you're looking at here is my chart setup, and this is my go-to. This is the one I use most of the time. I also use point and figure charts. I keep some by hand. I also have a computerized service. Point and figure are my favorite, but there aren't many platforms that do point and figure properly. So, as I said, I like to stick with my core being something that I can replicate anywhere at any time to take a look at something. And what we've got in the upper pane, you've got rate of change, which is an oscillator. It is set at 21 periods. I've got a moving average on it, which is something that is not always available. And this is Genesis software. I pay a fee for this. It's about £30, maybe $45 per month, and it's just a basic subscription, end of day. And it's rare that you find anything that allows you to put a moving average right on the indicator. And then on the price portion, we've got 3 moving averages. We've got a 55, we've got a 21, and we've got an 8. And those are all Fibonacci numbers. Those are key moving averages for me. I use them all the time. I've got a trading method that I go through in my course with you. And if you happen to be on my sign up page, you will receive a copy of the PDF where I traded for the whole year 2020 very publicly, day to day, and you can see how we did with that basic method in 5 symbols only for the course of the year. And the PDF for the final 4 months is available to you from if you sign up. It'll be sent to you. The bottom pane is the RSI, and I've left it at 14, and that is the usual setting for RSI. It's been tested every which way, and it is the best setting for the RSI. A lot of people use the RSI and the ROC for that matter as overbought and oversold readings, and I just find that useless. And I go in that a little deeper in the course as well. But both the ROC and the RSI are so much more powerful than overbought and oversold, and so we go into that. There is a rate of change video that comes to you. Again, if you sign up, you will receive that. It's a standalone lesson that you can use right away. It's really good, and I'm not just saying that. And so that is my setup, and as I said, I use it all the time. It's my go-to. Okay, here we are at startling conclusion. There's not much to be startled about, really. My chart setup is, like I said, quite basic, and we expand on other things in the course. We look at other setups. I also show you my point and figure, but what you've got is something that you can use right now. You can set your charts up in the same manner, and you will find that you could, well, I do, you can work with that indefinitely, and it will stand you in good stead. So, and what you see on the screen is a page that will give you a quick description of the course, and there's a video on that course. It's about 30 minutes, runs through a few concepts for you. Again, there's takeaway information that even if you don't buy the course, you will have things that you can use immediately. I'll put it as a live link below this video. And I'd like to thank you for listening, and hopefully our paths will cross one of these days. And take care of yourselves, and we'll talk soon. Bye now.